Hi everyone, my name is Titius and this is my IM project. So starting off, the topic is special needs behaviors, and this project is designed for high school students, probably more around freshmen or sophomores who haven't really came into contact or have truly experienced special needs classroom or students or special education in general. Um, Starting off, I like to point that I have my PowerPoint on here and it's at the bottom. Um, I did this because I'd like you to see other examples to get a base knowledge before you come and see my PowerPoint. I would like you to have my students to have a basic understanding and to understand what I'm going to be going into in my PowerPoint. So that's why it's at the bottom. But with that out of the way, first off is an introduction to the crisis cycle, which kind of helps with the whole tying together of my presentation. And then down here now we have 4 different websites that I found that I thought were all amazing sources, and I loved the information in all of them. Um, so I have them here, and they're just to help you get a better understanding of the topic and to have more of a background of information before hearing me talk about my topic. And then of course I have the definition that I will be going over of behavior. And this is I would like everyone who does my IM to take as a poll on behavior just so I can see what you've experienced and how much background information you really have and if you've interacted with anybody in special education or anything. This is my video section. This is where I have just a few videos that I really enjoyed. I thought they did a good job at explaining things and to help get a clearer picture of a behavior or what a special education classroom looks like and just stuff like that just gets that clear picture in your head, and I really like the videos. Here are just some pictures to help you get an example of what a behavior may look like in your head. They don't all look like this, but these are just some of the things that a behavior could turn into or could look like. And now here I have on my YouTube channel I have a video of the me going through the PowerPoint. And here is my PowerPoint, my actual PowerPoint. That's available to you to look back, so you don't have to hear me talk through the PowerPoint if you don't want to. After you listen to me talk once, then you can just go to the regular PowerPoint. And then below, I would like everyone who does my IM to, like my future students, to do this Kahoot, and I want them to screenshot the results, email it to me, send it to me, however they can. This is just for me to help see that they're understanding what I'm presenting to them. And this is my IM, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you all are staying safe and have amazing rest of your semester.